the GIGABYTE G6X. It's not just another gaming laptop, this machine is different. Built for creators, gamers, and AI enthusiasts, the G6X packs a serious punch. It's a performance beast, ready to tackle any demanding task. But more than that, it's a statement. A statement that you demand the best. The G6X is all about pushing boundaries. It's about having the power to realize your vision, whatever that may be. Whether you're rendering complex 3D models, training AI algorithms, or dominating in the latest AAA games, the G6X doesn't back down. Under the hood, the G6X boasts the latest generation Intel Core i7 or i9 processor. Translation lightning-fast speeds and smooth multitasking. But it doesn't stop there. The NVIDIA RTX 4060 or 4070 GPU, with its dedicated Tensor cores, is a game-changer, literally. Experience buttery smooth frame rates in even the most graphically demanding games. But the G6X isn't just for gamers. AI and machine learning professionals will love the raw power this machine delivers. Up to 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM ensures effortless multitasking and lightning-fast data processing. And with a 1 to 2 terabyte PCIe Gen 4 SSD, loading times become a distant memory. All this power generates heat, we know that. But GIGABYTE has thought of everything. The G6X features an advanced thermal management system with multiple heat pipes and a dual fan architecture. This means your system stays cool, even under intense load. No throttling, just pure, unadulterated performance all the time. But power without durability is pointless. That's why the G6X is built to last. A sleek, durable aluminum chassis, military-grade construction. This is a machine designed to withstand the rigors of everyday use. The GIGABYTE G6X is more than just a laptop, it's an investment. An investment in your creativity, your productivity, and your entertainment. And the best part? You don't have to break the bank to own one. The G6X offers an unbeatable price-to-performance ratio, especially the base model. You get more power, more features, and more value for your money. Ready to experience the GIGABYTE G6X for yourself? Check out the link in the description below for a closer look at its specs, features, and pricing. You won't be disappointed. Thank you for watching the video from AI Tech Beat. If you found value in this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Check the description for an article with comprehensive details.